Snakes don't chase you. They wait, hidden, silent. One sudden strike is all it takes. Some kill with venom, others with pressure. No sound, no warning. Snakes can see heat, move in darkness, and attack faster than you can react. In the wild, one step, one mistake, means the end. Snakes don't need to hunt loudly. They don't need speed. They rely on patience and precision. Some snakes can strike in less than a second, faster than fear, faster than thought. Even after one bite, venom keeps working. Muscles shut down, breathing slows. The body stops listening. In tall grass, shallow water, or dry sand, danger is always close. You may never notice the snake, but it always notices you. Snakes have survived for millions of years, not because they are loud, but because they are silent. In the wild, silence kills. And sometimes, the deadliest threat is right beneath your feet. Nature is beautiful, but it is not merciful. These animals don't hunt for fun. They hunt to survive. In the wild, one wrong move can cost you everything. Remember this: you are never at the top of the food chain. This is nature. This is survival. This is wild animals that can kill you in seconds.